Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with HexSpot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05mm high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HexSpot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HexSpot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HexSpot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HexSpot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HexSpot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HexSpot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HexSpot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
The vision was to make charging your phone as simple as placing it on a surface. And to achieve this vision, we created the world's first long-distance wireless charger with a range of 40 millimeters. Charge your phone on the surface by placing the charger underneath it. A true wireless charging experience that disappears into your environment. Introducing Energy, the invisible fast wireless charger. Simply mount your Energy wireless charger using the adhesive mount, or screws for a more permanent fix, and begin charging your phone. With Energy, you can charge your phone through any organic surface, such as wood, granite, marble, glass, quartz, through thick cases and pop sockets. And because Energy is a Qi wireless charger, it can charge all current wireless charging smartphones, including flagship Apple and Android devices out of the box. Energy follows the next generation Qi power transfer system, utilizing magnetic resonance and enabling Energy to charge wirelessly at 10 watts with a range of 40 millimeters, and Energy Nano with a range of 15 in black or white. Each package comes with an Energy wireless charger, a 6-foot USB-C cable, a fast 3.0 adapter, surface stickers, 4 screws and 3 adhesive mounts. Charge your phone through any tabletop and experience true wireless charging, moving towards a wireless future. This is Energy.